guys, welcome back to Jenny&G.
Hello guys. So guys, today I have a surprise for Jenny and also for you guys. Yes, this is after the surprise. So after the surprise we're gonna do parmigiana di melanzane, I'm sorry, which is something really typical Italian with one of the most famous Italian ingredients. Mozzarella cheese, tomato sauce, parmesan, eggplant and basil. But before this guys, I think this is the time to give you our secret recipe.
What kind of secret recipe?
Our secret recipe, Jenny.
Which one?
You don't know our secret recipe?
We have a lot.
No, there is only one, which is the most important one. Okay, so we show them different kind of recipe during all these episodes, right?
Yeah.
Something Italian, something Chinese. What is the thing in common between all of these things? What we're doing here? Who we are? I mean, okay, you are a super nice, hot, funny, smart Chinese girl. I'm a kind of uncle, Italian man here.
Uncle?
Yes, they call me uncle because I'm old, you know.
See, papi.
Yeah, no, papi, no. But a part of this, okay? What we are? What are we doing here? Cooking class? What are we doing?
Playing. Sorry, I can't help myself.
Okay, why we start this, Jenny? Who are Jenny&G? Because I think we need to start to tell them.
Jenny&G.
Come on, you know, just say it. What is our purpose? We want to teach them to cook?
No.
That's all?
No.
So what are we going to do here? Because they need to know. Because I mean, it's full of people like us, right?
A lot of things
cooking
we
class.
have to do.
Okay, so.
You know, in the end, the final one.
Yes. So guys, you're gonna cook with us, but we are not the best chef. We are maybe nice and whatever. You're gonna travel with us.
Of course.
First travel is gonna be in a little bit. But the point is this. What we're trying to do here, it's giving you or just sharing with you what is the secret recipe and the most important ingredients of everything you're gonna do. When you travel, when you cook, when you live, when you have relationship, when you have everything. We just put our passion here. That is our secret recipe.
That's
we
true.
put love in all the things we do. If we cook, if we travel, if we do whatever, we have an amazing friendship, me and Jenny, which can be called love also, okay? Because everything we do...
Mi casa es tu casa.
Mi casa es tu casa, yes. She always come to get a nap in my place. The point is, guys, is that we think we can share something special with you. We start from the cooking. Of course, because I'm a chef, it's easy. If you don't put passion and love in what you cook, guys, you better change job. But it's not only about cooking. It's about relationship with your parents,
With the children.
with your children, with your boyfriend, girlfriend. And if you don't put the love and the passion in everything you do, your life is gonna be not happy, right?
Yeah.
And we try to
Help you. Not help.
show them how
We
you
try
can be
to-
happy, right?
We try to show how can you be happy in your life because we both been through very tough times in our lives.
But everybody do that. What is our specialty? Why we are special? Why they should listen to
We
us?
always find a way to stand up and fight back.
Okay.
We just always can find
But
a
without
way.
any revenge, right? With love.
With love, no revenge.
So what do you use first? Your heart or your mind? Or your brain?
I think it's 3-in-1.
Brava. Okay. So this is Jenny&G, guys. Yes, we do sport. We will teach you. She's an amazing personal trainer. We will cook together. We will travel together. But remember something. Every time from now on, we're gonna talk about different kind of things. Because we want to share with you something which is not just a normal recipe or a normal travel. We want to share with you the soul and the passion we put and we think everybody should in all the things you do in your life. That is Jenny.
And G.
Bye bye.